Any app on your phone is available in the App Store. This is where you need to go to download apps, whether they are free or need to be purchased. If you're opening the App Store for the first time, just tap the icon and tap Continue. Then tap the magnifying glass icon, put the cursor in the search box, and begin to type the name of the app that interests you. Once you're done, tap Search. A list of apps will appear. Scroll down by moving your finger up to the top of the phone surface and find the one that you want. This is the Lime scooter app for all those scooters that you see zooming around downtown. Tap on Get. If you have Touch ID enabled, you can use your fingerprint to download the app. If not, you'll have to input your Apple ID password. You have to do this for the first time, even if apps are free. The app will start to download. Once the blue circle fills in, the download is finished. Tap Open to open the app. You can now log in to use the app. Tap your home button once to return to the home screen. Let's go find the app icon so that you can open the app from the home screen. Swipe your finger left or right until you find the app icon. There it is. To delete an app on your iPhone, long press on the app that you want to delete until you see the X's. Then just choose the apps you want to delete and tap the X that appears in the upper left-hand corner. And then tap Delete. The app will disappear and has been deleted. Do this for every app that you want to delete. Press the home button once to clear the rest of the X's. To download Android apps, find the Google Play Store. Tap the icon to open it. Tap inside the search box and enter the name of the app that you're looking for. I'll download Facebook. Begin typing Facebook and then select it from the list. Next, you'll want to select Install. Tap Install and wait for the app to download and install. This may take a moment. Notice that you see related apps at the bottom of the screen. Facebook Lite is not the same as Facebook. Tap Open and wait for the app to open. This may take a moment. Once the app opens, you may see this message. Tap on Got It, and then either tap on Create Facebook Account or Log In. I already have an account, so I'll log in. Tap Login. It may take a few moments. And then tap OK to save your login information so you don't have to enter it each time you open the app. On an Android phone, deleting apps is referred to as uninstalling them. I'm going to uninstall Twitter. I'll open the apps, find the settings icon and tap on it. Then I'll scroll down and locate apps. As you can see, I have 56 installed. Tap on Apps. Every app installed on your phone will be listed here. Scroll down and locate Twitter. Then tap Uninstall. And then OK. The app has been uninstalled. If I go back to the home screen, you'll notice it's not there.